Let's make a miniature mixer. I start by taking some clay. It doesn't have to be the color that you want to be the mixer because you can always paint it afterwards, but knead it until it gets soft. I shape it into sort of a rounded square shape. I use an Xacto knife to make a cut near the top on both sides in case it doesn't make it all the way through. Now I'm going to stick something round in there. I'm going to use this to kind of widen the hole. I shaped it until I like the look of it, and it actually looks kind of like a purse. Set this aside for a second. To make the whisk part, I fold a piece of wire in half. Then I use some pliers at the end to fold it over into sort of half circle shape. Then the other piece I'm going to fold over the top of this one. With the remaining wire, I'll take it and then curl it around this bottom part. Repeat to make 2. Now I'm going to take these mixer things and then just poke them into the front of the clay piece. I'm going to bake this in the oven for 4 minutes at 350 degrees. Once it's baked, I paint it the color I want it to be, unless it already is the color you want it to be. I check to make sure a doll's hand fits in there, and it does. Now I'm going to take a thin marker and draw 3 lines on there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. Bye! Need something.
Huh? Why is Kim making cookies for flames? Here's some fiery pepper spice from her cabinet. While she's gone for a second, Flames will have some spicy cookies. That should be enough.
This is almost ready to bake. Okay, they're finished. Maybe I should try one. Ugh, it's disgusting. Wait a minute, I thought I saw Icicle come in here earlier. Hey, I have some cookies for Icicle.
Cookies? Thanks, Kim.